I cried. I've reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube in 6 months. That is like crazy good.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Hey girl, hey, it's Brittany Chanel back with another Boxy charm unboxing. Let's pause for the thumbnail. Why do I do the stupidest things? I don't know. Cute. Okay. So this is, pause before we get into it. This is going to be real ghetto because I'm trying to figure out, I cannot find my camera equipment. So I'm actually recording this from my phone, which I never do. I haven't done my makeup. I'm still getting the glam room together. I'm still getting the glam room together in our new location. So everything is not as I would like it to be. But I said, Brittany, go ahead and film the video, honey. Ooh, natural face. I did put on some little eyebrows today because I had a Zoom meeting for work. But I have been all over the place. But shout out to y'all. I want to thank you guys for 15K on TikToks. We reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And I am amped and ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm super excited about it. Sorry, I'm looking a little bummy. We're not even going to be getting cute, getting glam, because my life is in disarray. I can't even find my camera, sis. That's how many boxes I have to unbox. But yeah, I digress. Let's go ahead and get into this Boxy Charm Premium. If I could get it open with the back of my brush, y'all know I'm ghetto. And I can't. Ah! Okay. I have failed myself. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Brittany, God did not give you the spirit of fear. You better get this shit open, y'all. As I'm sure you guys already know, this month's theme is Boxy Charm Lucky. I have variation C2103217A PM, which I believe stands for premium. And I love this. You know, St. Patrick's Day is coming up. This is very cute, very chill. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay. I haven't seen this one yet on the spoilers. So first about the box, I have the Cypress Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer. Illuminating Eye Serum Primer. Eye Serum and Primer. It's a shimmer palette. Okay, this is that packaging. Cute. Oh. So this is the primer. I'm assuming, no, this is a serum. What am I saying? Oh, and then we have a little palette in here too. This is a very interesting little thing, Boxy Charm. Let's read about this. It says, Cypress Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette Set. So this is an eye serum and a primer. But most people, when you have an eye serum, you don't use it as a primer because eye stuff is normally more expensive. So you don't necessarily want to use it as a primer. And this set retails for $145. It says, this pairing packs technology forward, skincare first, illumination, and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. It's made exclusively for Boxy Charm, but I do think the shimmers are pretty cute. Let's go ahead and swatch a few. The pink is calling me. I like this little gold here, and I'm gonna go with the silver, and we'll go ahead and swatch those for you guys. And they're not giving me what they're supposed to have gave from that, but we'll see. Okay, I digress. I was more excited about them before I swatched them. Okay, so this set retails for $145. Now I wish I hadn't swatched it. I could have given it to someone in that 1K giveaway that's coming next week, baby, because we there. Oh, and I'm thinking about doing, I don't know if I should do a 15K giveaway on TikTok or just wait till I reach 20K because she coming. But we're definitely doing that 1K giveaway for you guys over here on YouTube. And this over there is all the products that I'm going to be giving away. It's everything that I have, that I've gotten, that I've ordered, that I absolutely know I have not touched and I will not use. So if you want to know details about that, check out next Sunday, I don't even know what the day is tonight. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. I think it's the 13th or the 14th. Anyway, be out on the lookout for the details of that giveaway. So that's first about the box. Next, we have the Kiss My, I don't know that word, by these folks here. Spell that out. And it's a Rion Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, a non-sticky alternative to classic lip balm. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grape seeds oils to hydrate and protect. This retails for $26. I have the shade Charlie. And let's see what she looks and smells like. Okay, the packaging is pretty sleek. She looks like this. Oh, she's very thick and sleek. She smells very minty. Okay, so that's cute. Okay, sis. And it kind of has like the same shade as what I put. It's like a lip gloss. So it's actually the same shade as the Fenty, almost the same shade as the Fenty Glow, the original Fenty Gloss Bomb. So that's what I have on today. And I think that's cute. I just wish it didn't smell so minty. That's not my thing. Next about the box, we have the Becca Ultimate Color BoxyCharm. You sent me a foundation? Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in the shade Maple. I'm really shocked BoxyCharm sent me a foundation. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. It's a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish. BoxyCharm sent me a foundation. Okay. You might be able to see what it do, but it's looking a little orange. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check on Sephora, put in my actual shade, which I wear the NARS Cadiz. It's pretty close. The ABH. Maybe we can make it work. This is my ABH foundation in 410C. Maybe we can make it work. But yeah, we'll try that and we'll do a review on that. So I'm surprised. BoxyCharm has never actually sent me a foundation before, so that's interesting. Next up out the box, we have the Diva Eye Brush Set. Protect your eyes with our cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadows and eyeliners. It looks like this. It says, perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set. Okay, I already read that. This retails for $48. And I have so many brush sets. I already know I'm going to put that in that giveaway. Ooh, I don't do orange. I don't do any colored brushes. I don't like white. I only like black ones. And y'all, these feel very light. Honestly, they feel and look very cheap to me. They do. So I'm going to toss that on over there with the items I know I will not be ever using to give away. And look, there's some Fenty over there. There's some NARS, honey. There is some Hourglass. There's some Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's some Laura Mercier. So you don't want to miss that. Next up out the box, I think this is my choice item. It's the Too Faced Proactive Nourishing Hangover Primer. I never tried it. I was very interested. So that is why I selected it. It retails for $35. This is the packaging. It says Too Faced Hangover Primer. This revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance. So this retails for $35, and I did choose this in choice. I'm going to put it in the drawer of my primers. I'm going to put it into rotation, see how I like it. So yay for that. Next and last but not least, we have House Laboratories Rip Lip Liner. This creamy high pigment lip pencil balances precision with run stroke, demi-matte payoff to slay your lip look. And it retails for $16. What shade did we get? Yeah. Or did I show y'all the packaging? I'm not sure. But you guys know Lady Gaga's packaging is like really fun and cutesy sometimes. But this one is actually pretty sleek. Oh, I love this. This is where the fun comes in. Do y'all see that little like very interesting lid? Ooh, and she's a shade that I could use. Okay, Boxy for sending me some good shades today. And yeah, she's going to get some use. She feels very nice. She does feel like a luxe lip liner for $16. It does feel very luxe. I will say that. And the pencil just gives it that Lady Gaga fun that we love, that little extra. So you should, since I'm using my phone to film this, I'm going to have to just say, I don't have a calculator sitting around handy. Wait. Okay, so first up, we have the Cypress Illuminating Eye Serum that retails for $145. Which I don't know about that. I have it upside down. I don't know about that. I've never even heard of this brand. Next up, we have the Hangover Primer that retails for $35. Which that's pretty on par. So I'm not too surprised by that. I mean, that is the price of it. What are you saying, Brittany? Next, we have the Becca foundation for $44. Next up, we have this Rayon. Is that how you pronounce it? This Rayon lip gloss for $26. That's definitely overpriced. Well, it's not a lip gloss. It is a lip balm that is like supposed to be good for your lips as well as like give you a bit of shine. Then we have the House Labs lip liner for $16. Is that it? Is that all I got? I feel like I'm missing some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's it. Okay, so this box has a total retail value of $266. And out of 4 out of the 6 items, I am going to go ahead and try and use myself. So that to me is a win. I'm sorry this video isn't like I normally do it where I'm all cute and stuff. Okay, where I'm slaved for the gods and I'm demoing the products. I just have stuff everywhere and I literally cannot find my camera. So y'all pray for me. I hired movers. If I can't find my camera bag with like over $4,000 worth of equipment, I'm going to hunt them down and kill them. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for what we're doing. Yo, I cry. I've reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube in 6 months. That is like crazy good. 15K on TikTok and even on 15K on TikTok within even less time. So I am like stoked. I am excited for what we're going to do. I am transitioning. I'm in the middle of moving. I got a new job. So I got a lot going on. So y'all be patient with me. Make sure you stop by next Sunday to get the details of that giveaway. And I love you guys. Peace. Boom, boom. Wait, comment, subscribe to your mama consistent auntie side chick, everybody. I forgot to say that. I don't know how I forgot to say that. That's my favorite thing to say. Okay, bye.